Guys, nandito pa din ako sa kusina. Alam niyo ba, yung ginagawa ko dito, magawa muna ako ng iced coffee. Diba? Tuwing gabi guys, magawa ako ng iced coffee. Parang ang init kasi ng ng pakiramdam ko. So, mag-iced coffee ako. MM's Vlog 25, shout out. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning sa'yo, ma'am. MM Vlog. MM's Vlog 25 pala. Saan bansa ka ngayon, ma'am? Gagawa pa ako ng iced coffee. Babaunin ko dun sa room ko. Try ko pumasok, ma'am, sa laptop ko ninja. So very good. Ha? Sa'yo pala yan, ma'am. Ma'am Marilo? Pero ma'am, shout out. Akala ko iba yung sa MMM Vlog. Vlog 25. Sa'yo pala yan, ma'am. Magawa pa ako ngayon ng iced coffee. Parang ako. Parang naiinitan ako. Kaya ito, nagawa ako ng iced coffee ko. Yung nabaunin ko doon sa kwarto. Thank you, Ma'am Marilo. Thank you po. Ayan. So, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng ice. Hello, Ma'am Maris. Ayan, may hagdan dyan, Ma'am Maris. Saka Ma'am Marilo. Ayan. Baka gusto niyong umakyat. Umakyat na kayo. Paano ka pa makakatulog niyan, Ma'am? Naku, Ma'am, makakatulog pa din ako nito. Makakatulog pa din ako nito. Ewan ko ba, sabi nga nila pag uminom daw ng kape, hindi daw makakatulog. Pero makakatulog pa din ako. Siguro sa pagod na rin sa trabaho. Kaya nakakatulog pa din. Magkuha muna ako ng ice. Yung alaga ko kasi may bisita ngayon. Dito sila natulog. Kaya bukas magluluto ako ng pagkain nila. Ibang pagkatahi ang gusto nila. Saka iba din yung sa amo ko. Yung maliit lang yung anak ko. Baka may umakyat na dyan guys. Wait lang. Import ako ng ice. Lamig! Ang lamig! Diyos ko. Ang lamig. Ayan. Umpisahan, Ma'am Marilo. Nanalo ba kayo kanina? Hindi talaga, Ma'am Maris. Wala talagang panalo. Wala, ang lamig. Wala, hindi man ito kasya. Diyos ko ako magkasyatan. Napatunawin ko pa yung ice bago papasok. Pero ang fairness, mabilis siyang matunaw dito sa sa bunganga ng baunan na to. Thank you, Ma'am Marilo. Ayan, dalawa ang pinasok. Ayan. Namu, si Mama Anbangs, ang dami. Opo, si Ma'am Anbangs, diba? Dami yung panalo. Namuro. Namuro po ba yan? Hindi siya magkasya. Oh my gosh. Totoong siguro ito. Ang lalaki ng ice, hindi magkasya. Sa bibig naman. Baunan na to ba? Hindi magkasya sa tumbler. Aroy, yari tabang. Buti ako nanalo kahit 100. Kaya nga, sana all. Sana all talaga. Ang tagal ng live ni Ma'am Nelly, no? Natapos. Nabot ng alas 9 dito. Paano ba ito? Tatagalan ka ako dito sa ice na to eh. Kasama ka naman. Ay, sabang mo langit. Laki kasi ng ice na to. Meron din tig 50 sa nag-comment kay Sir Lim. Ewan kung nasali kami doon. Nag-comment ako dun sa sa first 50 na nag-comment. Ewan lang. Sino ba magbigay nun, si Sir Dong? Mga panalo ko kasi kay Sir Dong, pinapalagay ko sa channel ko kasi makakalimutan ko ba? Para yung lahat ng pa-prices ko lang sa sa live ko, doon ko lang lahat kukunin kay Ma'am Atitsi para hindi ako malito. Ang swerte talaga, Sister Kaaliki, ang swerte talaga Ma'am Maris ng asawa mo, no? Naka 500 siya. Grabe, 500 subs, sana all. Sana mag-invite na siya, Ma'am Maris. Si Kaaliki na. 1K yun? Akala ko 500. 1K pala yun? Wow, sana all. Ang swerte niyo talagang mag-asawa. Kung hindi si Sir Kaaliki, ikaw ang nananalo. Sana all. Tagal naman ito. Uy, bali, 1 to 50 sa kanya. Wow. Galing. Papasana all na lang kami, Ma'am Maris. Ay, sa swerte niyo. Pero alam niyo, deserve niyo naman yan. Kung ako sa inyo, Ma'am Maris, mag-inviter na rin kayo. Para 'pag marami na kayong invite, makapag-live stream kayo, yung ano niyo, yung mga panalo niyo ipa-prize niyo din. Malaking tulong din 'yan, Ma'am Marie, sa ano niyo, lalong-lalo na sa watch hours. Hi Sir Rolly Bulat-ag Vlog, mega love shoutout. Yung last, yung 500 subs. Wow. Sana all. Papasana all na lang talaga kami. Hanggang sana all na lang kami, Ma'am Marie. Dito ako natatagalan sa ice na to. Uy. Ang liit kasi ng bibig ng tumbler na binili niya sa amin. Ma'am Marilo kanta na. Kaya nga, nasaan na kaya si Ma'am Marilo? Sa Rolly Bulat, good morning po. Ang agaw niyo pong magising palagi sa Rolly. May trabaho po kayo, sir. Nagawa pa kasi ako ng ng ice coffee. Diyos ko Lord, tabang. Ito talaga ang nagpatagal sa akin dito sa kusina. Kaya ang tagal din pumasok ng ice sa bibig ng tumbler na to. Diyos ko Lord. Gusto mo ba? Hindi naman pwedeng kulang pa siya sa ice, 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 baby. Sige, ako aakyat. Sige, Ma'am Maris, aakyat ka tapos kanta ka. Kailangan may 10 kanta ka, ha? Ayan. May ice coffee na ako. Tikman ko nga. Ayan, na si Ma'am Maris. Hindi daw makapasok si Ma'am Marilo. Ayan. Hi, Ma'am Maris. Good evening. Ayan, kakanta na lang si Ma'am Maris. Kanta ka, Ma'am Maris. Ayan, papasok na ako. Pasok na talaga ako sa room.
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chic Point. Chic Point e-commerce platform, focusing on women's clothing. Elegant assortment of
الكل يحتاج عناية خاصة. جربي مجموعة هربل اسنسز بالألوفيرا الطبيعية
Yan pa lang.
وبتحدد الكارز لتبديل بدوم 72 ساعة.
Bakit wala? May boses na ba ako?
Ano, kanta ka na, Ma'am Maris?
May boses na ako?
Oo, meron.
So, okay, napunta to. May boses na ako?
Opo, Ma'am Maris. May boses ka.
Wala ata akong boses ha.
Meron.
Hello.
Naririnig mo ako? Mama Riz,
Hello.
naririnig mo ako?
May boses na ako?
Opo, meron. Hindi yata ako naririnig. Ano, Mama Riz?
Nakamute ka ata, Ma'am Ilongga.
Hindi ako nakamute.
Hindi kita walang boses.
Saglit.
Hina ng signal ko ah. Minamalat ako. Naku, hina ng signal. Having trouble. Wow, mahina nga signal. Bastos talaga to no? Kailan ako mag-ano sa kanawalan ng signal. Nakamute ka, Milongga?
Ayan. Mama Riz, naririnig mo na ako?
Teka, try natin. Nakamute ka, Milongga?
Naririnig mo na ako, Mama Riz?
Oh, kanina wala eh.
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita.
Nakagula. Salita na
Sabi ko,
Kala ko
sabi
nakamute
ko
ka.
meron. Hindi ako nakamute.
Eh, ba't hindi ko marinig?
Ewan, baka sa internet.
Game kakanta.
Pero
Baka nga,
magpakita
sa
ka.
internet.
Magpakita ka.
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chic.
Shout out
Happy
for
Father's
Million
to all.
in the house.
Materials and fine workmanship. Definitely.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother, me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure
We make you
I
stand out
was
from the crowd. Hurry up and click the buy
loved.
button, Tilda.
If I could get another chance, another walk, another
Do you want
dance with
cost-effective women's
him,
clothing? Then come
I
to Chic.
play a song
Chic Point
that would
e-commerce platform,
never,
focusing on
never
women's
end.
clothing.
How
Elegant
I
assortment of dresses
love,
and comfortable
love,
materials and fine
love,
workmanship.
dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd made me laugh just to comfort me, then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, never end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. But sometimes I listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Saan na naman napunta tong ano ko?
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay dyan sa buong mundo. Ayan, Happy Father's Day sa asawang Ma'am Maris.
Much, but could you stand back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Saan napupunta tong ano ko eh?
Kaya mo yan, Ma'am Maris. Mahina talaga ang signal mo, Ma'am Grace.
Narinig niyo yung kung saan napupunta? May nagsasalitang ano, parang ads.
Opo. Meron. Kaya nga sabi ko dito kay Ferlin, grabe yung CPR ko dito. Pero okay lang.
Ayan na lang.
I-ano ko lang, i-replace ko naman yan eh.
Di ba isa lang naman, kahit isa lang song
Focusing on
i-replace
women's
mo?
clothing. Elegant assortment of dresses, comfortable materials,
Kahit isang kanta lang i-replace song mo, lahat-lahat na yun, maano na.
Oh.
Ahay, mahina daw talaga yung wifi ni Ma'am Marilo. Sige lang po, ma'am. Sige lang po. Ganyan talaga. May mga time kasi talaga na ayaw talaga makisama ng mga ano eh. Mga wifi.
A lady with a plan, believing that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you, I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I cried a tear, you wipe it dry. I was confused.
Ma'am Maris. Ma'am Maris. Ma'am Maris.
Ay,
Mag-ano ka kaya? Mag-download ka kaya, Ma'am Maris, ng PureTuber. Para walang ads.
oh,
PureTuber.
mag-download ng
PureTuber.
Uber.
Para walang ads.
Hindi yun ads.
Tap-
Ito yung
Ano yun?
yung pinaka ano tawag nito, yung ginagamit ko sa sa StreamYard. Yun ang nag-aano kung saan
Mm.
napupunta. Pero yung yung cellphone ko na ayos na naman yun. Nagka-ads lang to pag yung etong ginagamit ko sa pag-video. Kung
Ay,
saan
iyan yung
napupunta.
nag-iingay, yung sa StreamYard.
Oo, yan yung nag-iingay. Kasi kung ito namang gagamitin ko sa kung saan
Mm.
pupunta sa kaya puro ads na.
Kaya nga kasi
Kaya
parang yan din yata yung
Ay,
sakit ng
istorbo
isang
eh.
cellphone ko dito, kaya ipapaayos ko.
Kaya tuloy istorbo
Lahat
kapag
ng apps na o-open niya.
Hindi mo rin siya pwede itong ipang kanta ko. Kasi kung saan-saan din mo pupunta.
Kagaya pala dito sa sakit ng isang phone ko din. Kaya nga, hindi ko muna ginamit, ipapaayos ko pa yan. Ano yan, bubbles daw sabi.
Ano daw?
Bubbles daw.
Bubble?
Comfortable materials.
No, sabi ni Mama Rilo. Bubbles daw.
Yung Bakit ang daming
No, sabi ni Mama Rilo.
yung laro.
Sige, kanta ka na. Mama Rilo, i-PM mo ako sa kung paano magtanggal ng CPR. Mo ako, i-PM mo ako. Sige, Ma'am Maris, continue na kanta.
Mag-ads na naman yan. Ito. Buset eh. Teka lang.
Hayaan mo yung ads na yun, palitan natin yan bukas.
Tapos na pala ako dito. Wait lang. Hindi ka pa ba Hindi ka pa napasok sa room mo?
Nandito na ako sa room ko pero hindi pa din ako nakapagbanyo. Papakantahin muna kita.
Teka lang.
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chic Point. Chic Point e-commerce platform, focusing on women's clothing. Elegant assortment of dresses and comfortable materials and fine.
Nadidisturbo ko dito sa to. Kaya to. Kaya to. Nakakadalawang kanta pa nga lang ako eh. Nakakadalawang kanta pa lang ako eh. Namamaos na ako.
Definitely make you stand out from the crowd. Hurry up and click the buy button shortly.
I have always been dreamer, followed vision of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found in one you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I almost do surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you
Do you want
to
cost-effective
save
women's clothing?
my
Then come to
day.
Chick Point e-commerce platform, focusing on women's clothing. Elegant assortment of dresses and comfortable materials
Often
and fine
my
workmanship. Definitely
imagination has me reaching up too far. When I felt you were there, with you hand in the air, you knew from the start. Sometimes, after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and in dream it comes from knowing sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day. Next na kayo. Uy, sino ba to? Ano ba to yun? Kaya ko ba to?
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chick Point. Chick Point e-commerce platform, focusing on women's clothing. Elegant assortment of dresses and
You
comfortable materials
the
and fine
one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out in the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the nonsense that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering.
Workmanship.
And since
Definitely
all
make you
is
stand out from the crowd.
true,
Hurry up
how
and click
could
the
anyone mean more than me, than you? Sorry if sometimes I look past. Nawawala ako dito sa tugtungan. Nawawala ako sa tugtog na to. Nawala na tuloy ako sa tugtog. Heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since all it's true, how How could
Do
anyone
you
need
want
more
cost-effective
than
women's clothing? Then
you?
come to Chic Point.
Than
e-commerce platform, focusing on women's
you.
clothing. Elegant
Busit
assortments of
talaga
dresses
to.
and comfortable.
Lastas na. Ah, nawawala ako sa tugtog eh. Nawawala ako sa tugtog. Wish na ano. Wala tuloy ako sa
Materials and fine workmanship. Definitely make
Ayun, Maril, umakyat ka na nga. Akyat ka na. Daya mo, ha? Saan na ba ako? Nawawala ako sa ano dito, sa ano natin. Akyat ka na. Daya mo. Magpakita. Nawawala ako sa ano dito. Babantay mo talaga ako. Ba't babantay mo ako? Aalis ba ako? Babantay mo talaga ako. Ba't babantay mo ako? Aalis ba ako? Naano ko dito sa ano eh. Nadi-discourage ako dito sa mga ads natin. Makainis. Tapos na tayo dyan. Love me po. Love me. Kaya ko ba to? Teka lang naman. Excited. Kasi ito namamatay eh. Naiinis eh. Okay. First night that we met, together we've been happy. I have
You want
very few
cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chic
the
Point.
ordinary
e-commerce platform, focusing
problems
on women's
have
clothing.
not been
Elegant
hard
assortments
to
of dresses and comfortable
face.
materials and fine
But
workmanship.
lately,
Definitely make
little
you stand out from the crowd.
changes have
Hurry
been
up and click the buy
slowly
button today.
taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're always choosing me to be your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free. If what you want,
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to
isn't
Chic Point.
natural
Chic
for
Point e-commerce
me,
platform, focusing on
I
women's
won't
clothing.
pretend
Elegant
to
assortments of
keep
dresses and comfortable
you.
materials and
I
fine
want
workmanship.
my love to
Definitely
be
make this
the picture of perfection is only on your mind. For all your expectation, love can never be defined. We either take each other for everything we are, or live the life we made behind and make another start. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're always using me to be your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. And if you're always using me to be your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free. to you. I just fall in love. Ano ba ito? Nakanta ko na ba ito? Ay, nakanta ko na. Nakanta ko na ito. I can't finish eh. Teka lang.
Give me the dum dum dum, yes yes. Give me the dum dum dim dim. Give me the dum dum dum, yes yes. Give me the dum dum dim dim.
We'll see you with the body.
Give me this, give me this, give me this. Party, everybody gonna play here.
Nakakaasar ko nga. Nabakot. To love again. Oh, hindi ikaw. Hindi ikaw hanap ko. Nasaan na ba yun?
California, I ain't made out to Japan.
Saan yung kinakanta doon? When I'm gone. Oh, miss. Kakaasar naman kasi itong mga ads na to. Hello, andiyan ka na ba, Ma'am Ilongga? Hello. Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly. Wishing there would be someone waiting home for me.
Do you want
Something's
cost-effective women's
telling
clothing?
me
Then
it
come to
might
Chickpoint.
be you.
Chickpoint e-commerce platform, focusing on women's clothing.
It's telling
Elegant
me
expensive
it might
dresses and
be
comfortable materials and
you.
fine workmanship.
All of
Definitely make you
my
stand out in the crowd.
life.
Hurry up and click the buy button to
Looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what make it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Something telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take.
Do you want
So
cost-effective
many
women's clothing? Then
dreams
come to
to
Chickpoint. Chickpoint e-commerce
wait.
platform,
Only
focusing on
so
women's clothing.
much
Elegant
love
assortment of
to
dresses and comfortable materials.
make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you. All of my life. Sa likod ka. I've been saving love song and lullabies, and there's so much more no one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be, it must be you. And I'm feeling it is just be you. my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. All of my life. It's you. Ay, ganun lang ba?
Do you want cost-effective women's clothing? Then come to Chic Point. Chic Point e-commerce platform.
Ayan. Bago ang lahat, isa-shoutout ko muna si Sir Check, ECOPH, and Ma'am Juna. Shout out. Good morning, Ma'am Jonna. Sir Check, good morning na rin. Sorry talaga, Ma'am. Ayaw. Sige lang po, Ma'am Marilu. No worries po, Ma'am Marilu. Okay lang yan. Naintindihan natin yan. Ayan. Sa'yo, Ma'am. Ma'am Jonna, akyat ka. Okay lang po, Ma'am Marilu. Okay lang po. May pasok ka pa, pumaga pa po yung pasok mo, di ba? Okay lang, Ma'am. Maaga pa yung pasok mo, Ma'am Marilu ba?
Ano, next time na lang. Ay, Ma'am Jonna, panik ka.
Nagbabasa ka na, Ilongga. Sorry. Yan ka naman eh.
Chic Point e-commerce platform.
Good night, Ma'am Marilu. Good night.
Definitely make you stand out.
Ayan. So, kakantahan. Babasahan ko muna si Sir Check. Ayan. So, kakantahan. Babasahan ko muna si Sir Check. Naririnig ba, Ma'am Maris? Ma'am Maris, naririnig? Music?
Oo.
Okay. Mega love shout out. 6 million in the house. Sa isang larawang kupas ay aking nasilayan muli ating lumipas. May babalik ko lamang ang panahon at ang oras. Di sana lungkot at nagsisisi ang dinaranas. Hanggang sa mga sandaling ito, di ako nagbabago. Taglay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa ating lumang litrato. Ngunit sa'yo, ewan ko, ikaw ba'y iba na buhat nang tayo'y magkalayo? Kapit kamay, tayong dalawa, nakangiti at kapwa masaya. At ang tunay na pagmamahal, nagkalarawan kahit kupas na. Isa itong yaman ng puso ko, at kulay na yugto ng buhay ko. Umabalik ang ligayang lipas. Salamat sa... Uy! Hallelujah ka dyan. So, check ha. Akyat ka dito. Makakanta ka rin. Hanggang sa mga sandaling ito, di ako nagbabago. Taglay Walang damdamin sa ating lumang litrato. Ngunit sa'yo, ewan ko, ikaw ba iba na buhat ng tayo'y nagkalayo? Kapit naman tayong dalawa, nakangiti at kapwa masaya. Ang tunay na pagmamahal, kalarawan kahit kapas na. Sa itong yaman ng puso ko, ako'y layog ko ng buhay ko. Bumabalik ang ligayang lipas. Salamat sa larawang ko pa. Salamat sa'yo. Reject, nagpalipat siya pa dyan.
Focusing.
Kapit pa ako sir. Inaano mo, pinupuli mo ako. Balik ka na dyan. Sir, check. Sir, check. Sir, check. Sir, check. Sir, check. Palipad daw. Palipad. Try mo nga. Nawala na ang kakantay. Bakit ako hindi ako marunong? Saglit, hanap ako. Kahit sayang sayo, bakit ikaw? Ayan. Ano, kung okay ba ngayon ang palipad? So, check, itry mo nga. Kung makapagpalipad ka. Hindi ako kanina makapagpalipad eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Change payment. Sige na. Hindi ako kanina nakapagpalipad. Siguro may problema. Try mo nga ngayon kung pwede na. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's you. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright, having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. You're brave to say that you'll get lost in love, but you opened your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep your love could be. Tonight, we'll touch until it's time to go.
Gabi nga, dulong delikado. Pinakano.
Ma'am Lynette, hello.
Hello.
Kamusta po?
Okay lang po.
Saan ka po ngayon, ma'am?
Ay, sandali.
Okay po.
Dito po kami ngayon sa LA, nagbabakasyon po.
Wow. So, umaga po pala dyan ngayon, ma'am?
Yes,
Umaga pa po.
hapon na po.
Hapon na.
Yes po.
Wow.
Kamusta?
Ikaw po yun kanina yung nag-ano sa akin na nag-comment.
Opo. Hi.
Ayun. Nice to meet you po, ma'am.
Nice to meet you too.
Ayan, ito pala yung mga nandito. Mga ka-team ko po sila.
Sige po. Hello
Love
po.
shoutout sa'yo, Ma'am Lynette.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am Maris, magpakita ka kay Ma'am Lynette. Meron pa dyan si Ma'am OFW Greece.
Okay.
Ayan, si Sir Check. Nandyan din siya.
Hi, hello po. Kamusta?
Ayan, ma'am, i-PM mo ako, mama, para isali kita sa aking team.
Ano po?
I-PM mo po ako sa... May Facebook ka po, ma'am?
Mayroon po.
Ano po yung pangalan niyo sa Facebook, ma'am?
Lynette Abilio Cartagena.
Okay po.
Sige, doon ako pupunta.
I-ano kita, ma'am, i-PM po kita. Wala, bumaba siya. Ano nga yun? Lynette. Ayan.
Nalagay. Ma'am, pwedeng kumanta ka na.
Lynette Stevie. Ayan.
Nakikinig ka lang, ha?
Ano nga yung apelyido niya, nakita niyo? Cardenas ba yun?
Hanapin mo na lang dyan sa ano.
Ano po Facebook name niya?
Uy, ano mo, te?
Ito po, ma'am. Wait lang.
Ilongga OFW Colleagues.
Jakita niya kita, ma'am. Ayan.
Kanta na, ma'am. Ano? Kanta na lamon ako, nakakailang kanta pa lang ako.
Nakailang kanta ka pa lang, Ma'am Maris. Nandito yata siya ulit. Ayan.
Sa Pinas
Ayan.
po kayo. Saan po kayo ngayon?
Sa Kuwait po ako, ma'am. Kami ni Yangsi. Magkasama kami dito sa bahay.
Ay, okay.
Tapos si Ma'am Maris nasa Saudi po siya.
Okay po. Kamusta po kayo? Mag-ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Salamat, ma'am. Okay lang naman po kami dito. Pauwi na rin kami next year.
Ano na yan? For good?
Hindi pa din. Pero pag hindi pa nakahanap ng trabaho, mag-ano lang. Magpapatuloy pa din sa YouTube. Ayan, magla-live stream kami.
Oo nga. Makakatulong extra income, di ba?
Opo.
Kanta na po.
Lalo na monetize na.
Oo nga. Ako bago pa lang.
Kailan ka nag-start na mag-YouTube, ma'am?
April yata. April.
April nitong taon?
April lang.
Ay, ako din. Pero nag-start ako February. February ako naggawa ng ano ko. Tapos na-monetize ako within 2 months.
Wow, ang dali. Ganun.
Kasi ma'am, may community po kami, ma'am.
Oo nga. Paano po? Ano po yung guidelines?
Ayan, ano mo lang po ako, i-PM mo ako sa aking messenger. Tapos mag-usap tayo doon, isasali kita sa team namin.
Kanina may nag-PM din sa akin.
Talaga?
Nakalimutan ko, si Tamil yata. TJ.
Hindi ko familiar.
Oo, doon yata kita nakita sa ano nila, sa group nila, sa YouTube. Nakita ko yung name mo under sa comments nila. Doon kita inaad, yata kita, tapos sinearch kita.
Ay, kasi ano ako ma'am, inviter ako ng community namin, Dong Ivy community. Kaya kung saan-saan ako napupunta ang mga comment section.
Okay. So, paano po? Paano sumali? APM kita sa ano mo, sa Facebook?
Opo ma'am.
Ano po yung ano mo, yung accounts mo sa Facebook?
Same lang po nito ma'am, ang pangalan ko sa Facebook. Tapos ito, ipakita ko sa iyo yung profile ko.
Oo, yung sa akin nakita mo na?
Hindi pa po ma'am. Ito po yung profile ko ma'am.
Okay, sige po.
Ayan.
Hindi ko masyado.
Lynette Cartagena. Ayan, Cartagena.
Lynette Abilio Cartagena.
Abilio?
Opo. Gabi na dyan sa inyo?
Opo ma'am, ano na? Madaling araw na, alas 12.
Nagising pa kayo?
Opo ma'am, kakapasok lang din kasi sa room.
Ay, okay. Ano na naman kayo oras matulog? Madaling araw na.
Ma'am, maya-maya, mga 1 or 2.
Okay, sige. Sige, i-PM kita doon. Doon tayo mag-
Sige po ma'am. Ito po ma'am.
Yes po, yan po. Opo.
Okay po.
Sige.
Thank you ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. I-leave ko na po doon kita message. Salamat.
Sige po ma'am.
Sige po.
Nice meeting you too po. Thank you ma'am. Opo, ingat din po dyan ma'am.
Okay, salamat. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po. Ayan. I-shoot. Yan, so, Perlin, kakanta ka?
Kanta naman, Perlin.
Ayan, may kausap pa kasi si Perlin. Tatapusin ko muna yung kinanta ko. Ayan. Kasi bago ako mag-start ng live, nakausap ko yan si Ma'am Lynette, nag-comment siya sa video ko. Sir Check, nasaan ka na? Nasaan na? Until it's time to go, then I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright, feels alright. Ayan, Ma'am Jana, shout out. Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels alright. alright. Feels alright. Okay, Ferlin, it's your turn. It's your turn, Ferlin.
Unsa man akong kantahon? Buang man siguro ni. Takarag pindot.
No. Negi, hindi kumain. Di ka kumain kagabi?
Dinig ang music te.
Sabi sa'yo kumain ka na. Kumain ka
Rain,
na.
rain, go away.
Ano pa yun?
Walang
Paggabi.
marinig music.
Doliw. Sige na, kumain
Yan.
ka na. Negi, isahin.
Dinig na?
Eh, sabi mo sa papa mo kung may pera.
Been
Ano ka pera?
wondering
Pinangpalit.
who will be there to take my place
Papa mo
when
man.
I'm gone. When your love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all, in between sand and stone, couldn't make me young, and I could, and I would hide you wherever you will go. We're down low, I go wherever you will go, and maybe I'll find out
Sali mo kasi
a
mami,
way
ano na, pang 3 na
to
ngayon.
make it back someday, to watch you, to guide you to the darkest of your days. If a great wave shall fall and
Linggo ang Grand
fall
no,
upon us all,
is tayo para makasali
then
tayo
I
sa Grand
hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then
Hindi niya
I
alam.
would hide you wherever you will go. Way up high,
Baliw
way
ano,
down low,
sa share.
I go wherever you will go. Run away with
Tapos
my
nakasali siya,
heart. Run away with my home. Run away with my love.
Ano po, sab.
I know now just quite how my life
Tapos sa akin, alam
and
niyo,
love
naglaro
might
ko
still go on. In your heart,
kung nag-tap.
in your mind, I'll stay with for all of time. If I could, then I would hide you wherever you will go. Way up high or down low, I
Hindi.
go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I go wherever you will go. If I could pick you mine, I'll go wherever you will go.
Ba yan, late na ako.
I'll go wherever you will go. My music, my music.
Daldal ako ng daldal sa anak ko, nakakanta ka.
Wait lang. Connect ko sa V8.
Lahat kayo nag-off na. Ano ba yan?
Kintay ka dyan.
Sino nakakanta?
Nagsasalita ka dyan. Walang hiya ka, kumakan. Tapos na nga, nagtanong ka pa.
Kumanta ka na?
Natapos na nga
Kumanta ka na?
kinanta ko, nagtatanong ka pa rin ng sunod na kumanta.
Ah, ikaw na, susunod.
Focusing on women's clothing. Elegant assortment of dresses.
Nakakasar tong ano na.
Wait na. Yung bus. O, dinig.
Case, like a spin.
There's no life has begun from this moment. You are the one right beside you. It's where I belong from this moment on. This moment, having good, I live for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you and to make a song. You and I will never be apart. My fear and true because of you. long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wanna give from this moment. Whoa. You're the reason I live in love, and you're the answer to my prayers. All we need is just a few words. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you. Long as I live, from this moment. Oh, that's me, man. Love it. Sino ba yung aakyat mo sa likod? Akyatin mo, baka matulog yan sa silog.
Sige pa, kaya mo yan.
Nothing is slow, child is slowly taken. The violet goes silent. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they're fighting with tanks and their bombs and their guns and their guns. In your head, they're crying. In your head, yeah. Someday, in your head, someday. Mother's breaking, heart is taking over. When the violence goes silent, We must be mistaken. It's the same old team since 1916. In your head, dear father, with your touch, underbound, underbound, underdance, in your head, you're dying, in your head, in your head, zombie, 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 hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, 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 eh, 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 ooh, 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 Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating kwento. Ano ma'am, Ilongga, ready ka na o ready ka na? Mag-ano ako, tapusin ko tong dapas, tapos si Ma'am Lucky, tapos si Ma'am Maris. Okay. Pag ready ka na dyan, Ma'am Lucky, after this, I was wrong when I hurt you. But did you have to hurt me? Did you think revenge would make it better? I don't care about that. I just want love to love. There's no way to dream as bad together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me. If you wanna try to get things back the way they used to be, there's no sense going over and over the same things as before. So let's not bring the past up anymore. I don't wanna get behind. You will keep track of the past. Do you know you never will love her? Didn't anyone tell you when? Forgive and still forget. How could you be mad if you don't remember? I must forgive you. You must forgive me. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, there's no sense in going over and over same things as before. Let's not bring the past up anymore. I must forgive you, and you must forgive me too. It's the only thing that's left that we haven't tried to do. One thing I'm sure will work if we haven't tried before. Let's not bring the past up anymore. Anymore. Alright. Diyan na sa aking kwento.
Ayun.
Now your turn, Mom Lucky. Ma'am Langke. Turn mo na. Langke.
I'm busy. Kapoy ko, Perlin. Uy, ikaw like kanta di, Perlin. Pakyawin mo yan. Galing kami na part-time.
Mamares. Asa na
Sana
ka?
all may part. Sige, teka. Ito na. Ako naman. Mga
Pagod
dalawang
ako
kanta na at ako'y
part-time.
sana all may part-time. Game.
Mayroon pa. Lagi naman yan dito, Mama Riz, kasi yung kapatid niya walang patulong.
Hmm.
Mamares, mag-open cam ka. Nag-open cam ako nung kumanta ako. Mag-open cam ka ngayon. It's your time.
Pag yan, wala to.
Bawal mag-off cam.
And still
Your
can
turn.
remember
And now I'm
how
going
your
to
touch
close
was
my
so
eyes.
tender. You told me.
And now, cannot turn.
We had that once in a lifetime,
Banati,
but
Mama
I
Riz.
just couldn't see
1K
until
subscriber,
it
good.
was gone. A second once in a
Nawa na si Mama Riz.
lifetime. Maybe too much to ask, but I swear from if ever you're in my arms again, this time I
Usahan.
love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Bastos tong ano to. Puro mo.
Anita,
Now
nawara
it
gud
seems
now.
clearly how still I
Tikin
need
kiguayat.
near me. I still love you so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no
Kikidsit.
letting go. We had a once in a
Naglibog yung
lifetime,
asang
but you just didn't know it till my life fell
sa gamit Bluetooth.
apart. A second once in a lifetime
Sa man
isn't
pa
too much to
kita na ako nga
ask,
nagluto.
but I
Ha!
swear
Yung
from
gibilin
the
sa duyan.
heart.
Ano te?
If ever you're in
Ha?
my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. The best of romances, the circumstances. I'll get to you somehow, 'cause I promise you now. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. In my arms again. This time, whatever you're in my arms again. This time, I hold you forever. This time will never end. Noon na lang pause. Bukas pause na ako nito.
Kaya pa, Ma'am Maris.
na ay nakakanta ka na to kay Anne-Marie. Parang kinakapos na ako ng hininga. Dali ako mga mapaos. Hindi ko ba kung bakit. Hindi naman ako nainom ng malamig. Haba ng pataras. Ano yung pinapaano mo sa akin? Yung ano? Yung pinapaano mo na para walang ano ba yan? Yung walang, ano ba yun? Yung ano? Yung pinapa-upload mo sa akin.
Mama Maris, huwag kang daming satsat. Kumanta ka na dyan.
Naghahanap na ako eh.
Bawal magsatsat. Kanta na diretso.
Ma'am, ano may binanggit kanina, sabi para wala daw ano. Para yung wala daw ano, ads.
Hindi.
YouTuber, Mama Maris.
YouTube.
Hindi pa,
Tapos,
Ano nga spelling sa packing is bana, te.
sa
Packing.
packing,
Packing. Packing o packing. Packing food. P-O-S.
packing, P-A-C-C-K-I-N-G, packing,
P. P na. Ang una.
P-A,
P.
P-A, C-E-I-N-G. Baka zero kayo sa spelling.
Basing maparehas sa soap ba? Soap. Nahimog soap na sabon. Hindi soap nga to. Walang namutala ko yatay. Di sure ako ba?
Alam niyo, nawawala ka mo ko sa inyo. Teka, ulitin ka. Anong pating? Bakit? Anong gagawin sa pating?
Mama Maris, packing food daw, packing food.
Pati
Food
food.
packing.
Pati food.
Packing food. Packing yung pack ba? Pack.
Anong ano yung paso?
Huwag ka nang magtanong dyan, Ma'am Maris. Kumanta ka na.
Ano, nadidiskaril ako sa
Huwag ka nang daming sat-sat. Kanta na, kanta.
Ito. Wait lang. Para hindi ka na maganot. Basahin mo sa live chat. Taglet.
Ang dami mong utang sa mga live, hindi ka nakakanta yan. Kantahin mo na lahat-lahat. Sabi mo, pag magka-phone ka, ayan, yan na.
Magka-phone. Ito nga, magka-phone eh. Kung saan sarapon ito eh.
Ayan, tingnan mo sa live chat.
Iyong.
Ano ba yun?
Ayan.
Packing food.
Hindi ko mamakita.
Ayan. Nakita mo?
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi wow. Mamaris, kanta na. Dami mong sata.
Packing!
Oo.
Kala ko.
Kanta. Mukhang binibero dyan.
Ma'am Jonalyn.
Nagtawag ka pa ng iba. Kumanta ka na.
Nag-wave. Nawala tuloy ako. Ito na lang, heaven. Para kayo pumunta sa heaven. Pag ako pumiyok, the end na. Oh, thinking about our younger years. There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want when you're lying here in my arms.
I find it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. Oh, there's not I could say, just hold me now. 'Cause our love will light the way. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm fighting hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long for something to arrive, for love to come along. Now our dreams are coming true through the good times and bad. Yeah, I'll be standing there for you. Tagal ng intro. Tapos na ata to. Haba ng intro. Eh, tapos na pala yun. Sige, nag-aantay ako ng ano. Nag-aantay ako ng kakanta ka na, Ma'am Longga? Kakanta ka na ba, Ma'am Longga? Am I real? Do words I speak for make you... Parang walang ano ah, teka lang, walang lyrics. Hindi ko naman solo to. Hindi ko naman solo yun eh. Walang lyrics. Kaya ko kaya to? When heart's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've started this walls before, and they made me blue. All along in my heart, there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time. To is my worried mind. You unto me, my miracle kind. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do. Long as it's close to you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or where. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, we've traveled so far, yes, I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. And forevermore. As the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you.
Sige, go, Ma'am Maris. Love burn!
Ito, last
Ang ganda talaga ng boses mo, Ma'am Maris.
Ang ganda
paus-paus nga.
Sana all pinagpala. Ang ganda ng boses mo, ah.
Ayan. Ayan, para magising kayo. Ay.
Ano kasi, may ano ako, may chat meet ako. May chat meet ako.
Ay, puro mga dot-dot dyan, ah. Baka marinig ako ng amo ko. The daylight's fading slowly. The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch, and I feel weak. I cannot lie. From you, I cannot hide. I'm losing will to try. Can't fight it, can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, till I can't deny this loving feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tempt me, tease me, till I can't deny this love I'm feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yung dalawa, dot. Sige, dot. Mamilongga pag ako na wala ng boses bukas ka sa langat ha.
Nasisip ako.
Wala na tuloy ako. Tells me till I can't deny this loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Go on, go on.
Thanks so much for your wonderful performance.
Wala.
Sana all.
Wala na.
Kaya pa? Kaya pa, Mama Riz?
Kasi sorry, di na makaka-act.
Nagpapaalam.
Kalito na ako ng amo ko.
Ano, kaya pa? More?
Bago tayo magpaalam.
Oh, magrakrakan. Sige. Kaya mo yan.
Para ano?
Touch by touch.
Last na to.
Go. Sige, sige. Matulog ka na.
Sabi niya.
Ilan ba? Patay kasi hindi ka diya.
Bakit?
Alaman mo daw, pag wala na siyang busis.
Ano?
Kasalanan mo daw, pag wala na siyang busis, patay na. Ang sisisi pa talaga ng kasama ah.
Kaya nga, naging kasalanan ko pa.
And the love.
Tapos magkanta pa ka na,
When
Mama Res. Dahil pakyaw.
Alala?
Gawin mo na yan, Res, kasi nanalo ka ng 1K.
O hindi ako yun. Do it, we still do it. Night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it. In a way. Like there is no other. Touch by touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to skin. Come undone my cover. When my heart full of love, it makes me a turtle in doubt. Love the game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light, the night and day. Do it, we still do it in a way. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to skin. Come undone.
Ma'am Jonah, akyat ka. Good morning sa'yo.
So na, ako na ginawaan na dito bukas. Wala na akong boses. Kasalanan.
Tingnan mo, nanisi na yan si Ma'am Maris. Ma'am Jonah, alam mo ba, pag mawalan daw siya ng boses, kasalanan ko.
In a day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch. You're my all-time lover. Skin to skin. Come undone my covers. Night and day. You're my all-time lover. Okay, tapos na. Nakatilag na ako. Ayan, comment na kayo ha.
Alright. Thank you so much, Ma'am Maris. Ayan. Oh, ayan, hindi ka na maosta. Hindi ko ako masisi. Sige, Ma'am Maris, good night. Alauna na din. Ayan, magkanta-kanta pa ako dito. Thank you, Ma'am Maris. Ayan, good night. Ayan, bye, Ma'am Maris.
Sige na, bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you sa pamamaris ko ha.
Ano yun? Bakit may uwak, Berlin? Ayun, yan tuloy, makakababa talaga yan si Ma'am Maris. Uy. Uy, Lynn. Di ba kay binaro mo si Ma'am Maris, ayun tuloy, nalaglag na. So, ayan, dahil pinababa mo na si Ma'am Maris, kumanta ka, Perlin.
Cute na ko.
Ang daya nito. Ako na nga lang, meron na ako dito nakalaan. Nakalaan. Guys, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking boses.
Titanic pa.
Highlight ka dyan. Diyan ko nanonood ng highlight. Titanic. Titanic lang. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and species between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart must go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're gone. Love was when I loved you, one true time I hold you. In my life will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart will go on. Go like this. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Hello, Ma'am Beth. Shout out, good morning, Mama Res, good night, thank you so much. You're here, there's nothing and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this night. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Morning guys, salam na kayo. Tapos ko yung yung boses ko. Yung boses ko, yung may parang may kumakapit. Tulad ako makapit, guys. Di ba natapos na? Hindi ko alam. Tapos na pala. Ay, meron to. Rose, asan si Jack? Si Jack nandoon sa sa New Zealand. Ayan, tapos na siguro. Hanap tayo ba? Tapos na nga, okay? Tabang. si Jack Mambet sa New Zealand. Diba? Ang galing. Ang lakas ng loob kantahin. Tabang na lang. Dito naman tayo sa mga old song ba? Mga old song, mga ano. Dito tayo. Ito para to kay Ma'am Bet. Good morning, Ma'am Bet. Mamanhid na yung paa ko dito. I'm strong and sure, I'm in control, a lady with a plan. You're living that life, it's a neat little package I hold in my hand. I got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. So I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. I can't fool, I'm out of control, just another fool. You touch me on me, can feel in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You are just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stay and tremble like a child. But one thing you know, all over your face is driving you wild. Just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. And I want to be just another woman in love. I can't fool, I'm far out of control, just another fool. Touch me on me, can feel in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You are just another woman in love. Just another woman in love. I can't fool, I'm out of control, just another fool. Touch me on me, can I feel her in the wind, and I can wait to feel you touching me again. You are just another woman in love. Salang ako na in love kay iyo. Sana all in love. Sana all mong bed. Lababo. Kaswerte naman yan. Ito, kantahin ko to. Medyo ano lang yung boses ko sa garak. Sa garak ang boses ko, ang bet. Pasensya na. Arizona. Ulit. Hindi niya ako ninintay. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all took about, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to hide. We don't know how to rhyme, but come we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. When I'm all took over, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, yeah. I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. But when I'm all took about, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Malas na in love ako sa may asawa tapos nalaman na ang asawa. Ano pa yun, Mumbai? Nalaman kasi ako. Nalaman kasi ako password. ako password. Siya daw yung password. Ala, lagot ka. Ayun tuloy. Kaya sa sunod magtagpag mo na yung ulitin. Maraming ano dyan, single. Ano ba ito? Kantahin ito. Mamaya ang aking ano na to, abutin na naman ulitin ng alas-dos. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay makabang? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay napabalisan. Pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapatali. Unang bang inis, di ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko, ika'y kalimutan. Ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Alamin ko ay, talaga. Sige nga, try nga, Ma'am Beth. Paano ko kaya sasabihin sa'yo ikaw ang tinipid puso ko. Aking nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Saan mo ito sinta, di maglalaho pagkat ikaw ang laman puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog at kakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ben, nasaan ka? Bet, naghihintay ako ng Bet. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. At ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Ikaw ang laman puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo. Pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang alright, Ma'am Beth, ay, nasa alright, Ma'am Beth, tayo para sa'yo. Minsan nasabi mo padamihin ko yung viewers, so magpandami. Hintay ko. Ganyan lang, Ma'am. Talaga ba? Hindi ka matulog? Late in the evening, she's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. a party, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady. It's walking around with me, and then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Nice, nice. Para kanino to, Mbe? It's time to go home now. I got an aching head, so I gave her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Bilis. Ang bilis. Ang bilis. Kasing bilis niya. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Yung mga hindi pa natin nakanta. Yung iba kasi hindi ko alam. Ayan, shout out sa 2 million viewers in the house.
Magmuyat lang ko, Biha.
Ha? Matulog ka na?
Magmuyat lang ko. Magmuyat lang ko, Biha.
Matulog ka na?
Lawas, di, oy.
Sige, sige, sige. Sige, pagtulog na diya.
Anak lang mo, Biha.
Oo, sige. Alright. Good night, Langki. Oh, Shanti.
Night.
Good night. Good night. Maya-maya mag-ano
Good
din
night
ako.
ka
Mag-end
na,
na rin
Biha.
ako. Good night. Yan, shoutout mo sa Ma'am Beth. Pagod silang ayan, budots pa more.
Hindi, nag-part-time ko hindi. Part-time ba? Nag-load part-time.
Can't you see I'm alone? Can't you give this full a chance? A little love, that's all I ask. A little kindness in the night. Please don't leave me behind. No, don't tell me love is blind. A little love, that's all I ask. And that is all. Oh, I've been searching so long. I've been searching high and low. A little love is all I ask. A little sadness when you go. Maybe you'll need a friend. Only please don't let's pretend. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings, but I just can't fly. As a string of birds, the pretty girls go sailing by. Ocean deep, I'm so afraid to show my feelings. I have sailed a million sailings, solitary ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? Maybe she was found another. And as I cry myself to sleep, I know this love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep. Thank you, Ma'am Beth. Thank you sa iyong pag-ching. Maya-maya mag-end na din po ako. Now, can't you hear when I call? Can't you hear I want to say a little love? That's all I ask. A little feeling when we touch. Why I'm still though. Gotta hurt without a home. A little love is all I ask, and that is all. I wanna spread my wings, but I just can't fly. As a string of girls, the pretty girls go sailing by. Ocean deep, I'm so afraid to show my feelings. I have sailed a million ceilings, solitary ocean deep. Will I ever find a lover? Maybe she was lost on another. And I still cry myself to sleep. I know this love of mine I'll keep. Ocean deep. I'm so lonely, lonely, lonely. Maybe alone. Sabang grabe. I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely. No, I'm not. Sorry. Ba't mo? Insultals. Feeling singer yan. Tabang, ang ba't mo? Against all. Parang yung chorus lang yan. How can I just live? Talaga siya alam. Hindi ko talaga siya alam. Ito, ikaw at ako. Mambet para ito sa'yo. Ikaw, ito, at saka siya. Mambet para ito sa'yo. Ikaw at siya. Ang title nito. Sabi nila palang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kung sakali man ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di pa aasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at siya. Sa wakas, hinahanap ko na rin ang aking luding. Wait lang. Tanging hinihiling, pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi ang tadhanang nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig natin na magdadagal. At ngayon, nandyan na siya, di mapaliwanag ang iyong nadarama. Handa ka na sa walang hanggan, di pa aasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, siya't ikaw. Sabag. Basta mambit para ito sa YouTube na sa kanya. Pero pasensya mo na yung boses na gumagano. At ngayon, nandito na, laging hahawakan ang iyong mga kamay. Di ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa, ibigin ka. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, mula ngayon hanggang dulo, ikaw at siya. Ang tabang namin, Lord. Shout out to Million in the house. Ayan. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na ang inyong gising at ito yung iyong narinig. Okay, tabang. Ano pa ba? Ito. Shout out, good morning, good morning, good morning. Diba? Isa pa. So, Million in the house, Mega Love Show, and good morning. I remember the day when you're here with me. Those laughers and tears we shared dreams. Memories that we had for so long, it's me and you. Now you're gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You'll break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You've been a part of me. I wish someday you'd be down home. Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Someday be back home. Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Alright. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Million in the house. Thank you so much for the picture. Maghanap tayo ng ano. Kasi may ano. When I was a child, before life removed all the innocent, my father would leave me behind and dance with my mother and me, spin me around till I feel asleep. Been up the stairs, he could hear me, and I knew for sure I was done. I could get another drink, another walk, another dance with me. I'd play a song that would never ever end. Oh, I love, 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 dance with my father. And happy Father's Day. Mother would disagree. Look at the way I would run from her. It makes you love us for me. Yeah. It finally makes me do just what my mama said. It heard a lot when I was asleep. They'll live $1 under a machine. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. I could feel one final glance, one final step, one final dance with you. I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love. Dance with my father and you. Sometimes I feel so outside her door, and I heard how my mother cried for me. I pray forever, I pray for her and more than me. No, I'm praying for much too much, but could you sing the only answer? I know you told me but dear Lord, she's dying. Don't see my mother again. Every night I fall asleep. This is all I ever dream. Hanggang sa inyo guys. Okay naman talaga yung pa ako guys. Ano ba to? Mag last song ako ay mag-end na tayo guys. Hanggang tayo. My goodness, mag-alas-dos na. Right, pero naman hit talaga yung pa ako. Promise. Walang halong biro. Paalam guys. Parang chorus lang yata ang alam ko dito. Hanap tayo yung alam ko. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Boulevard. Ayan. Favorite ito ni tatay. Kantahin. Kaya, tayo natin. Dahil Father's Day naman. Ayan. Mag-last song. Favorite song ni tatay ko. Happy Father's Day sa tatay ko. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you made me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees. Without the road, never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain and be good the lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while just for a smile. Look together for a wish, a place I know, and took you where we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, could choose my pain, and we could be lovers again. Ayan, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo, guys. See you on my next live. Ayan. Shout out dyan sa 1 million din in the house. Ayan. Guys, so ayan guys, so dahil ang oras dito, mag-alas 2 na dito, Diyos ko Lord, habang ano na guys, mag-good night na po ako sa inyo. Ayan, so guys, good night, and thank you so much sa mga umakyat dito. Kay Ma'am Maris TV, ayan, na ako pa yung parang ako pa yung sinisisi niya sa sa dahilang mamamaos siya. Baka mamamaos siya bukas. O, diba? Tapos, shout out sa kay Ferlin. Ayan. Na tinulogan na tayo. Ayan. Saka shout out din kay number 5. Sino ba yung si number 5? Ayan, napagod yan siya kakabudot. Kaya, ayan, nag-mute na lang siya, guys. Pero guys, di ba? Naka 200 subs yan dahil sa budots. Ayan. Congratulations, number 5. Hindi mo talaga pinag-pangalan mo, guys. Ayan, siya po ay si Lanky OFW Vlog. Ayan. Vlog. Ayan. So, kay Ma'am Grace, kay Ma'am OFW Grace 2010. Ayan. Thank you so much. Sa kay Sir Check na bumisita sa aking live. Ayan, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Kay Ma'am Beth Esquadra. Thank you so much. Tsaka sa bago kong invite. Ayan, welcome to Tem Ilongga. Ma'am Lynette TV Vlog. Ayan, vlog. Tsaka kay Ma'am Jonah. Ayan, kay Ma'am Jonna. Thank you so much, Abi Buday. Oh, ayan, thank you. Ayan. Ingat kayo palagi sa araw-araw. Ayan. Kay MM's Vlog 25. Ayan, si Mamo FW Greece yan, guys. Ayan, mega love shout out. Thank you, Ma'am, sa iyong patambay kanina. Maga siyang natulog kasi may duty siya 5 a.m. 5 a.m. dito. Sino pa ba ang hindi ko na siya shoutout dyan? So, parang wala na. Ayan. Thank you kay Sir Rolly Bulatag na laging present sa mga live namin dito sa mga ganitong oras. Ayan. Lagi yan siya, guys. Thank you so much. Very supportive. Ayan, yan lang yata. Okay. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. At magpapaalam na po ako. O, isakto ko na lang kaya ito ng, meron pa akong 10 minutes. So, alas 2 talaga ako Ay, wag na. Matulog na ako. Ayan, shout out Ma'am Beth. Thank you so much sa iyong pag-BG. Ayan. At ako ay mag-e-end na, guys. So, may message dito sa private chat. Ano kaya ito? Si number 5. Naghuy-huy-huy siya pala kanina. Ayan, so bye-bye na, guys. Good night. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay out there. Ayan. At saka sa mga single moms dyan na kagaya po, Char. Ayan, happy Father's Day. Ayan, dahil tumayo tayong nanay at tatay. Ayan, ating mga anak. Ayan, happy Father's Day, guys. And happy birthday sa aking uniko iho. Tsaka advance sa birthday sa aking Mother Earth. Ayan, Mother Earth ko. Magbe-birthday sa 21. Kaya sinabay na lang sa aking uniko iho. Ayan, shout out. And bye-bye, guys. Good night. And good morning. Dami ko pang sinabi. Bye. Thank you.